Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a package from Magical Mixery Store. So many new goodies. I'm excited to dig into this, you guys. So the first organza. Ooh, so many goodies. Okay guys, look how adorable these flamingos are. I've never seen anything like these little guys. They are pink and it kind of looks like a leaf, like as the feathers. So cute. Love those. Gorgeous little pink starfish, and the back part of the alloy is gold, which is like a really pretty gold. This one is a cute little flamingo, like with the solid pink. I got a paper cut today and it hurts so bad. It's stinging me right now. The little beak is black but no eyes. Then we have some white swans. The little beak is black, gold as well. And then of course the pink version of these guys. So cute. And then look at these. Like a little side profile. So it's like a little blue, like a baby blue. It looks baby blue, or is that playing tricks on me? With a pearl in the center. Cute. Oh my gosh. I want to say I saw something like this, but you had to order like 60 of them. And I'm like, I don't want 60 strawberries. Look how cute. I love the green, like little top of the strawberry in the pink, and then look at the gorgeous red ones. It's metallic. They used a metallic paint. That's why it looks like different from the other guys. Oh yeah, totally. So cute. Oh my gosh, this just screams like it's hot summer. Let's go get some ice cream. Look at this like little milkshake. So pretty. I love the colors of those. Oh, look how cute these are. Somebody's hosting a 4th of July like swap. Look at these little ice creams with the 3 scoops of red, white, and blue. I think those are little stars. Yeah, they are. Little stars on the top. Look how cute. I have not seen these cherries. They have like little gold like accent pieces on the red part. Oh, so cute. And then we have the sequin mixes. This one is Starfish Reef, and it's got the cute little clear like matte almost like a vellum, the little dolphin fin, or not dolphin, mermaid. Look at those purple little starfish. So pretty. Then we have this one, a flower garden. So she's got pink, purples. There's even like a white iridescent. And then what's this? A holographic little butterfly in there. In the sea, this one's like all the purple mixes, vibes. Has like little seashells in here, stars, and then the glitter ones. So cute. This one, a strawberry patch. I want to say I had something like this, and then I used it for whatever swap I had last year. But I love the little polymer clay strawberry bits in there. So cute. The pink, the glitters. Love it. Pink lemonade. So it's like a pastel pink with like the light lemonade color. Oh, so cute. It's got little hearts in there, glitters, spirals. This one is sand dollar. So you got the bigger little, what are those things called? Starfish and sand dollars in there. And then there's some purple sand dollars. Oh, here's like a big shell. Very cute. And we have beach house. This just screams beach house. I feel like all beach houses, this is how they decorate, like with these colors, the pastels. So you got pink little seashells. She's got the little blue ones in there. Super cute. And then we've got this one, strawberry jam. So look at these. These are like bigger chunks of the polymer clay, and then there's the little pieces in here. She's also got the little flower polymer clay bits in there with the glitters and the whites. Ooh, love. We've got trims. Okay, we've got this little trio. These are a fun, like super soft chenille, but it's a very thin. So you got like peach, ivory, and then like a sage color. But this has gold little flakes in it. The other ones don't, but this one does. Super cute. Next, we got this one. Oh, I love this. The little embroidery flowers on the very edge of this. So you got pink and white, and it's about 1 inch thick. Super cute. Love that. And I feel like that'll go good. Like a strawberry, like together. Like how cute would that be? Then we've got our lacy red, white, and blue. Look how cute. So it's almost got like a little flower shape, the lace part. You can see that right there. Look how fun these eyelash trims are. Super cool. I love these. This one reminds me of the Grinch, but they are like yellow, green. We've got blue. Look at this gorgeous sherbet orange, and this corally neon coral, neon purple. Love these electric shags. Look at this. It is like a fun, oh, it's like I think it's like a yarn style eyelash trim. Very shaggy. And then we've got this purple one. So cute. What character can you guys make from this? What's your answer? It's Monsters Inc. Sully. How cute. And then, ooh, look at this one. It's so fun. I don't know what I'm going to use it on, but it's like screaming, use me, summer. Look at this. Blue with like a little pom-pom thing. And then eyelash trim around it, yarn, yellow, purple. Like, look how fun this sherbet shred is. Ah, I'm obsessed. And then we've got this one. So we've got like the gold. I think these all come together. The gray, which is like a fun, I don't know what this is. I don't know how I would describe that. Super soft. And then we've got this one where it has the fun like little glitter bits in it. It's not stretchy. It looks stretchy, but it's not. I mean, it kind of stretches. I guess it does, but not like your normal elastic. And then we've got this fun little soft, like corally color that goes so perfect. These two go so perfect with this. Okay, then we got these guys. Oh, she's got little cabochons, and you guys, these totally remind me of like the Minnie Mouse on her bow. Little pink cabochons, and they're super like soft feeling. Love those. This one, ooh, look at these. So they're like jemmies, but there's a little a hole at the top, kind of like the shape like a little oval pearl. These ones are white, those ones are clear pink. But see the little hole, so you can make like little dangles with these guys. Ooh, these are cute. Perfect. These ones kind of remind me of like mermaid theme-ish. I got the pink ones. Oh, look how cute. I've never seen these. So these are kind of like a, I don't know what you, like a faux wax seal, even though it's like a perfect, more like a button. And then it's got the cute little bow on it. So cute. These little seashells are. They got a fun like AB reflection on them. So cute. Dimensional these are. So look how gorgeous. I have bigger ones of this, but I don't think I had any in this size. Look at these little starfish in the cutest, prettiest, like dainty colors. As you can see, like the size next to my thumb. Starfish. And then look at these like realistic looking ones. Look how cool. Like, look at this one. If someone threw this in the sand, it would look real because of all the like detail on them. How cute. And all the pastel colors. Here's like a size reference in comparison to the two. We've got some cute little hot air balloons. These just remind me of summer as well. They're little pink, purple, and yellow, like flatback cabochons. Super cute, like a Maggie Holmes collection. And then look at these gorgeous, perfect little bows. Not too big, not too small. Look how cute. And then you get an array of colors. Love those. Let's see. Some of this gorgeous seashell. Ooh, look at this. So look how stunning this mix is. She's got pink starfish polymer clay. The mermaid tails are polymer clay, like, but with striping detail in purple. Oh my gosh, so cute. She's got diamonds in here. Like, look how gorgeous. Teals, whites, glitter. She's got little seashells in there. So cute. Yay, some more bows. So these ones are like littler without a tail. And these are like a plasticky material versus like, I don't know what cabochons are made of. Clay almost. Super cute. I love the black. Where's the other bows at? Where'd they go? Okay. So these are bigger than these bows, but they're like a different shape. Look how cute these are. Like a super wrinkled, shabby bow. Gorgeous. For all your ladies, your fruit swaps. Look how cute. These little watermelon flatbacks. They're like a thicker, and it's like a clear glitter. There's glitter. I see little glitter specks in here. But little watermelon slices, and they're like a pretty pink. Like a darker, pretty pink. Got these little strawberry flatbacks. Super cute. And almost like a geometric look like to the top of them. And they're clear though. Like you can see through them. So cute. Oh my gosh, great package, you guys. Lots of new goodies for you to go check out on her Etsy store, Magical Mixery store. I will have some categories linked down below. You guys can go find it, because sometimes when you search into actual Etsy, like shop names and stuff don't pop up. It's the most frustrating thing. But I'm not sure if it's like that anymore because I used to have an Etsy. But I will link it down below. Thank you so much, Sarah. Another awesome package. I love it all. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.